Hey guys, welcome to this Apple AirTag video, and here I'll detail how to change or rename AirTag item. So if you already tag your Apple AirTag item to be keys or your bicycle or your backpack, and now you want to change or rename the AirTag item, then this video is going to show you how to do this step by step. So if I don't know this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Literally, when you want to rename your Apple AirTag item, you need to use your iPhone. So I'm just going to go ahead and drop my AirTags, then go to my iPhone. On your iPhone, go ahead and open Find My. So just search for Find My and open it. Once you open Find My, this is what you're going to see. Then on this interface, come here and click on Items. Then under Items, you're going to see your AirTag item. Here I have my keys. So just go ahead and click on that. Once you selected that, then you should see the current location of the Apple AirTag or the current location of the keys you attach your Apple AirTag to. If it is your bicycle or your backpack, then you're going to see the locations here. Then you can just scroll down like this. Just keep scrolling. Now tap Rename Item. So click on that. Once you tap that here, you can change your item from here to bike, camera, headphone, jacket, luggage, umbrella, wallet, and like that. Now you want to change the item name for my keys. So I'm just going to go ahead and select my keys. Then you can see keys. Just come here, then delete it. Then you can just give it a new name. And once you're done, just go ahead and click on the done button at the top right. Then hang on while renaming your item. So I'm renaming my keys from Adi.1's keys to Adi.4a. See that? So I got that renamed. Then if I just swipe down like this, close this, then you can now see my item name has been changed. So I've been able to rename my Apple AirTag item name successfully. So that is basically how to change or rename AirTag item name on your iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.